Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove a background in Microsoft Word. So first open Microsoft Word, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. So let's insert a picture from the computer. Click on Pictures, then select the picture. Let's select this one for example. Then click on Insert. Now click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Then select Remove Background in the Adjust section. Now you can click on Mark Areas to Keep to draw lines to make areas to keep in the picture. Click on Mark Areas to Remove to draw lines to mark areas to remove from the picture. And you can discard all the changes or keep the changes. So let's draw some lines here to keep this part of the picture like this. Then click on Keep Changes. Now you can select one of these presets, change the color of the picture, add an artistic effect, compress the picture, change the picture, or reset the picture. You can also use picture styles. And once you're done, just click on this icon here and select behind text or in front of text if you want to move or to reposition your picture. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.